Hi everybody, today I'm going to be walking you through how to use Google Meet. I have found that Google Meet is an accessible way to do video conferencing with students in particular, um, particularly those students who might not have internet at home to be able to use other applications like Zoom or Teams. Students are able to call in and still access the the meeting as everybody else. So if you go to your Google account and you log in, if you see here, I'm logged in, and just hit Google. You're going to go to this top right hand corner where you have this little tile and you're going to select Meet. Because I've been using Meet frequently, it's already one of my preferred applications here. If for you it's not there, you can go to the very bottom where it says More from G Suite and you can look for it there. Once you select Google Meet, you'll notice that it prompts you to join or start a meeting. So what you are going to do is click on this green button. It says join and start a meeting. You're going to name your meeting whatever it may be. Today we're going to call it Miramar check-in and hit continue. Once you do that, it is going to prompt you to be able to use your camera. So as you can see, you can now see me on the screen. And then you're going to hit where it says join now. Once you do that, your meeting has opened and it will automatically give you this pop-up window. In the pop-up window, you'll find the link, which is right over here, that you can share with students or you can share with anybody, as well as a number to call and the PIN that they need if they were going to call you. You don't have to do this the moment you're doing the meeting. You can do this ahead of time and that link will continue to work. You'll notice here that you have access to the chat feature. So if you are in a meeting with students, they can ask you questions, or you may be able to copy paste links directly onto the chat. You can also see who's participating. In this case, you'll notice it's just me. And at the bottom right hand corner, if you hit the button that has the three little dots, you'll be able to also change the layout. So sometimes folks have a different preference. They want to see everybody, or you want to see a sidebar. You can select whatever layout you want, so that you can be able to manipulate as you wish. Lastly, in Google Meet, you also have the option to share your screen. So if you just hit the bottom button that says presenter or present now, you can go ahead and present your entire screen or just a window. This is helpful if you have a PowerPoint or if you have something that you want other students to be able to see as you're walking them through something. The last piece that I'll share is that I found that this Google Meet enables folks to have greater access without having to download. I know for Zoom sometimes it prompts you to download the application. I haven't run into that issue with Google Meet, so I hope you enjoy it.